Another crazy day out today. I hope Aaron has a good flight in. A lot of these gusts. Oh yeah, that tree over there is going up and down. All of them. Yeah, you can hear the gusts going up and down. Wow. About those trees in my backyard. I got two big, huge pines in the backyard. See them right there? Those are the ones that go crazy. Oh, here it is. Well, the tree's not moving, but I am. And I'm in a kind of an open spot with these 2 yards that are oh, there's that guy again. Jeez, every time the sun's out. Got a big spot that's, I almost fell over. Oh, what a lousy lawn, Gary. Oh, yeah. Gonna be one of those windy days today. Can hear it. Come on. It's hard pushing the focus, or I mean the zoom. Alright. Alright, well, we'll see what happens here. Hope the day's good, the sun's out. Clouds aren't too heavy, they're kind of thin, in other words, but we'll see. Oh, they're cranking too, look at them. Oh yeah, that's the wind. Yeah, they are cranking. Alright, I'm gonna check something, but I need a space to relax. See up at the top of that tree? Oh, low battery? That didn't last fucking hour. Is that a bird stuck in a tree? Doesn't know what to do? That's it. We'll see. Could be a squirrel. Did you get any of that? Okay, battery's low. I got metal in the other room.